Hey guys, in this video, we will tackle about the concept of angles of depression.
So basically, an angle of depression is formed below the reference line. As opposed to an angle of elevation. An angle of elevation is formed above the reference line. So now we have a problem regarding angle of depression. Suppose that a zip line stretches from the top of a cliff 504 feet tall and ends at a point on the ground 1121 feet from the base of the cliff. What is the angle of depression from the top of the cliff to the end point of the zip line? So first we need to illustrate the given. Suppose that this line is the 504 feet cliff, and this is the zip line, and this is the ground. This is the end point of the zip line, and this is the 1121 feet. And since the reference is the top of the cliff, we will draw a reference line here, and this is our angle of depression. It could be represented by a Greek letter theta. So now we could draw other conclusions, like this is a right angle, and we could actually draw a rectangle here. If we draw an imaginary line here, and this would be a right angle. Now we could conclude that this is 504 feet, and this is 1121 feet. Now we have a right triangle surrounding our angle of depression. Now, using the definition of trigonometric functions, we can now say that tangent theta is equal to its opposite side 504 over 1121, which is its adjacent side. Now, to get the value of theta, we could transpose tangent theta, and the equation will become theta is equal to arc tangent, tangent raised to negative 1 of 504 over 1121. Getting the value with my calculator here, we could arc tangent of 504 over 1121, and we have 24.21, which means that the value of theta is 24.21 degrees, meaning the angle of depression from the top of the cliff to the end point of the zipline is 24.21 degrees. As an additional tutorial, I could show you how to get the value of the length of the zipline, which we can represent by the variable x, using the angle of depression. So when we got 24.21 degrees as the angle of depression, we could say that sine theta, 24.21 degrees, is equal to opposite side 504 over the assumed hypotenuse, which is x. Then we could multiply both sides to x, which will then be x sine 24.21 degrees over 504. Now, to get the value of x, we could divide both sides to sine 24.21 degrees. X is equal to 504 over sine 24.21 degrees. And getting the value of x with our calculator, 504 divided by the sine of 24.21 degrees is equal to 1129.02, which means that the length of the zipline is 1229 feet. So there you have it, guys. That's how you use the different trigonometric functions in answering problems regarding angle of depressions.